Hello people, welcome back to Officecraft Pro. If someone ever tells you to use VLOOKUP in a job interview, run. Seriously, it's 2026 and VLOOKUP is officially an ancient relic. Welcome back to part 3 of the Officecraft Pro Google Sheets series. In our last video, we taught a sheet how to think. Today, I'm going to teach your sheet how to search. I'm showing you the single most powerful formula in modern spreadsheets, that is XLOOKUP. It looks left, it looks right, it's virtually indestructible, and once you learn it, you will never go back. Let's get into it. Before I show you the magic, you need to understand the pain. Old school VLOOKUP requires you to count columns manually 1, 2, 3, 4. But watch this. The moment your client or boss adds a new column to the data, everything breaks. It's frustrating, it's fragile, and honestly, it looks highly amateur. Now let's fix this like a pro. XLOOKUP doesn't care about counting columns. It only asks for 3 simple things. What are you searching for? Where is that list? And what do you want to bring back? Let's type it live. Equal XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, highlight the ID column, and highlight the email column. Hit enter and it pulls the data instantly. No counting required. And the best part, if I insert 10 new columns right in the middle, nothing breaks. The formula adapts automatically. Here is the ultimate flex. VLOOKUP has a fatal flaw. It can only search from left to right. If your lookup ID is on the right side of your table, it's completely useless. But XLOOKUP doesn't care about direction. Watch this. I'm searching for an employee ID on the far right and pulling their name from the far left using the exact same syntax. it seamlessly searches backwards. This feature alone will save you hours of rebuilding messy data structures. Let's put this into a real-world scenario. We are building a dynamic invoice generator. Instead of copy-pasting client details every time you bill someone, you just type their client ID. XLOOKUP instantly goes into your master database, grabs their name, their email, and their billing address and populates the invoice flawlessly in 1 second. Now you know how to make your sheets talk to each other across different tabs. But what happens when you have thousands of rows of data and you need to filter out the noise instantly without scrolling? In the next video, I'm going to show you a formula that feels like a pure witchcraft. The filter function. If XLOOKUP just blew your mind, smash that like button, drop a comment saying XLOOKUP, and subscribe to join the Office Craft Pro. See you in the next one. Keep crafting.